Hello everyone, this is Thiago from Envea. Here at Envea, we manufacture the most reliable and accurate systems for solids and gas measurement. In today's video, I want to introduce to you a new application with the FlowJam standard sensor. This time, the FlowJam was used in between a truck and a main storage silo on a pneumatic conveying line. Before the FlowJam on a normal process operation, our customer had to send the operational team to monitor whether the truck was fulfilled or empty. But using the FlowJam sensor, now they can rely on the sensor information, on the flow or no flow information to turn off automatically the air conveying system. The sensor was installed in between the truck unloading station, which brings the raw material to the facilities, and the main storage silo. The FlowJam was installed to monitor flow of solids, but more specifically, sodium sulfate. Now, with the FlowJam, the truck parks, starts the unloading process, and the FlowJam detects flow. As soon as the sensor detects the no flow, detects there's no material moving, it turns off the air conveying system to save energy and to be more efficient with the truck unloading process. And now the operational team can rely on a new technology and they have more time to do another tasks. I know this is a pretty basic application, just flow monitoring between a truck and main storage silo. But with the FlowJam, there's no moving parts, nothing to wear or break over time. The sensor works with the microwave technology using the Doppler effect. Now I'm guessing that you want to learn more about the FlowJam and its benefits, how it can improve as well your application. So I will leave here in the video description more information, a link to the FlowJam sensor on our Envea website, and as well for the application that we just explained here. You can read more in detail how the customer is now happy with the new monitoring device. My name is Thiago Moraes. Thank you very much for watching and see you next time with more solids and gas measurement. Ciao, ciao!